In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about whether or not you could track a lost or stolen phone after you have performed a factory reset using Google Find Hub, or if the thief has performed a reset or erased your device. Will you be able to track your phone? Watch my video completely till the end to get the answers for these two scenarios. The first thing is, when you lose your phone, I know it is devastating because these days we have a lot of information on our phone. And it's not just normal data that we are talking about anymore, like photos or videos and stuff like that. Nowadays, we have bank account details, we have social media accounts, like access to your social media accounts and stuff like that. So it becomes very difficult for us to accept the fact that our phone was stolen and somebody else may just have access to our personal details, banking information and stuff like that. So the first thing is file a missing complaint and get an attested copy of the document. And then the next thing for you to do is try and block or track your phone using native applications like Google Find Hub and CEIR, because we have another website in India if you have another website to block and trace. So when you are on Find Hub, you log in with the same email address that was on your lost or stolen device and get to devices. Just you select the phone that you are trying to track, and then you see a lot of options out here. So if you're able to track your phone to a specific location, that's well and good. You get to that place and see if you could get your phone back. If you get it, fantastic. There's nothing else you need to do, right? But after doing all of these things, you think that no, I'm not getting back my phone. You use this option to factory reset device. This is something you need to think very nicely before you use it, because after you click on this option and you set this on, the moment your phone comes online, your phone is going to get erased. Because when a thief steals your phone, they're not just going to keep it switched off, right? They're stealing it for a reason. Hack your bank account or your social media accounts or any other applications on your phone. So for that, they have to get online. The moment they get online, Find Hub is going to detect it and completely erase your data that is synced with your Google account. Now, once that is done, there is going to be no link between Find Hub or Google servers and your phone. So if that link is broken, Find Hub is not going to be able to trace or show you at least the last location of your phone anymore, because within few minutes or hours or whatever it is, your phone is going to get removed from the list out here. You're not going to see that anymore. So the main thing here is, if you are going to use factory reset device, it's like cutting away contact with your phone. And on the other hand, if the thief is successful in formatting your phone, if they have intentions to maybe sell it to somebody else in a different country, because if your phone goes to a different country, sometimes it may just be usable with different SIM cards on different networks. So if they're successful in cleaning your phone, removing all your data and everything, even in such an instance, you are not going to be able to trace your phone. But there is the option out here. Don't think that your phone is 100% not traceable. My friend, we have something known as IMEI number. No one can change the IMEI number. If there is a service that is going to be through law enforcement agencies to track your phone using IMEI numbers, or call up your network service provider and ask them to blacklist your phone or ask them to track it and stuff like that, because these authorities may just have the potential to track your device using its IMEI number. I have come across a lot of websites or services online in the past. I saw that they offer phone tracking services for a fee. Don't get into all those things. Those are all scams. So I hope this answers all your questions. If you have any doubts in your mind, please do let me know via a comment in the comment section below, or you could even send me an email. I'll do my best to help you. Take care, my friend.